Facing issues with your WhatsApp notification sound not working on your iPhone? This could be caused by sound settings, app permissions, or software glitches. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the WhatsApp notification sound issue on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. Before doing anything else, make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb. Your phone's volume is turned up and not muted. After that, try the following instructions. Solution 1. Enable WhatsApp sound. First, open up the Settings app. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Now scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap WhatsApp. Now make sure to enable sound. Solution 2. Enable text tone. Go to Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Tap text tone. Make sure to select the text tone from here. Solution 3. Enable WhatsApp settings. Open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap the settings icon below. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Notifications. Make sure to enable all the settings except the clear badge. Still, if your issue persists, tap Reset Notification Settings from the bottom. Tap Reset. It will reset all your WhatsApp notification settings. Solution 4. Update iPhone or iOS. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. I hope your issue is fixed now. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.